I just wanna see you dance. I just wanna join the crowd. I just give me that fake. Yeah, I just wanna hear that bass. Yeah, I just wanna see you dance. Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Yeah, East Coast, West Coast. I said Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Yeah, East Coast, yeah, West Coast. Yeah, Dirty South, can y'all really hear me now? West Coast, I don't think y'all hear me. I don't think you hear me. East Coast, said West Coast. That's just on that body, yeah. It's all subliminal. Don't get stuck on words that have the reaction. That's a placebo. Yeah, listen to my body, it's all subliminal. Don't get stuck on words that affirmation. That's not placebo. And I just wanna see you dance. I just wanna join the crowd. I just wanna hear that bass when you go. You hear that bass the way you go. Yeah, yeah. I said I made bass be on my own.
Alright, so it's 9:09 a.m. It is June 9th. Spooky. No way, it's the 9th? So it's 9:09 on the 9th, and it's the morning. I woke up around 6, but I've kind of just been chilling and like reading, and I decided I'm gonna do a even deeper conversion today. I have so many updates that I actually want to give you guys and not just let you see it. So let's get started into that. The first update is that we got our community garden. Me and Mac were able to like find land, and we are now hosting a garden. So really we're in the building stages. We have to make our mounds because at first we were going to do raised beds, and I'll do a whole separate video on that journey. But yeah, here's where we are. What else updates? Airodynamics is out. LOL. Okay. For those of you that don't know, I make music and I just dropped an album. So if you want to listen to that, you feel me? Go ahead and stream my last EP. Stream the EP I did with Kesha because that shit's fire. Hot. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. I'm gonna start performing soon. I'm just getting some equipment in my head. Like, I'm trying to decide what equipment I want because I really want to perform for you guys and like do live concerts and do at-home tiny desk kind of concert feels, because I love singing for people and I love being able to share my gift, and I'm grateful that these platforms exist for me to share my gifts. So it makes me happy, and I hope that it makes you guys happy too. Oh, y'all, there was a mosquito in my car. I had to fight this morning. Bruh bit my hand. Like, the disrespect. I'm just sitting here chilling. He just gonna come out of nowhere biting people. Like, anyway, we finna have a war against the mosquitoes, cause if you would like to support me and my friends' garden dreams, and you want to see us grow and see us, purchase wheelbarrows and trowels and hammers and more nails, the GoFundMe will be linked in the description. If you want to find my music, that will also be linked in the description. If you want to support me, my Cash App. If you want to support me monetarily, the Cash App is below. You can also, I've been thinking about this very more these past couple of days, and basically just remember to keep positive thoughts about the people that you want to see win, you know. I will do the same for you. Actually, a lot better than, you know, because there are a lot of people out here that are actually trying to bring people down and are thinking negatively about them, even if it's not on purpose, but just because they're mad at the world and they choose a face to put it on, you know. So just keep me in your well wishes or whatever, and make sure that I'm straight. You feel me? A checkup, like a cute little how are you, that should be doing good. It really do. So, you know, and if you guys ever want to talk in the comments, like, feel free to just say random shit. I love talking with you guys. I love learning more about you guys and sharing information with y'all as I get it. I also, something I'm working on is being able to filter my brain to where once I get information, how do I now explain it with the dots that I connected in my head. So yeah, that's something I'm working on. I just recently finished Their Eyes Were Watching God, Zora Neale Hurston. I just finished that last week, sometime a couple days ago. And honestly, man, that book was wild because when, like, the way that she wrapped it up, it took me a year to read, honestly. Let's start there. But it's like, as she was wrapping it up, I just now remembered that we were in her house the entire time talking to Phoebe. So like the entire book was a story. She was just telling like a bedtime story. Like, yeah, Zora, man.
And girl, there's only you having your way. just a sweet word. The table is prepared for you. Wishing you Godspeed, glory. There will be mountains you.
So light. Freaking beautiful. I'm gonna cry. That's a shell?
Apparently.
Nice.
I can't believe you just saw that.
I saw it earlier when we were talking.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, play it.
You need to learn about the chakras, bro.
More than what people try to generalize it as. It's not just trap. You feel me? Hip hop goes all the way back to boom bap. It goes to the lo-fi beats with the trap drums. It goes so much farther.
Yeah.
Look what you let me do.
It's a bass for me.
Look what you let me do. Look what you.
Such a good song.